Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. So Bonk has been down for quite some time, and the problem with Bonk is that there's a little bit of a technical target that is still pending to go to the downside. We previously met this target up here, so you've actually come down and you made in a flag over here. So if you notice the flag, I'm going to kind of like give you a trend line, and this is gonna go from top all the way to the bottom right there, and this was your flag here. It actually looks like the technical target for bonk was 2994, nearly 3000. So I'm just going to mark in that line over there, because this is probably where things do look to go down to, and that's also where you have somewhat your previous support was a little bit to the lowest spot. I think 2892 can make a little bit of sense, because you never back tested this trend line. If I show you back what happened on the daily time frame, then this is what happened, right? So you did make an inverse head and shoulder, remember, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but you, unfortunately, when you broke out, you never back tested that line, that neckline. So basically things do look to correct down to that neckline, which is going to be down over here, 2892. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, office.